Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the green screen from on CapCut. So it could be a green screen photo or it could be a green screen video that you want to include in your video project, and you want to remove that green screen from your image. And green screen actually a regular image format that actually professionals use for removing the background easily anytime they actually want. So if I just want to remove our image background here, just if it's a green screen, then we have to simply click on this remove BG button here, and from here we can find the chroma key. So simply click on chroma key, and it is actually free. So you have to place that color picker on that green color and it will remove the green color, but here you can see the edges will just added this green color from here. So for that you have to simply add this feather edge from here a little, and here is a cleanup edge. So you have to upscale it until it removes. Now if it's looking yet, then you can just simply select the intensity and you can increase the intensity, and you can see it has just removed the edge color from here and it's pretty much clean here. So just like this you can do it. Hope you got this. And here I'm going to show you with a video. So we are going to use a video, like I'm going to search for example video green screen, and I have searched for it, and here video is here with campfire. So if you want to remove a green screen of a video, then you can simply do it. You can place it and you can just easily add that from here, just like this. You have to simply click on this video and simply click on chroma key again, and you can simply click on this color picker from here and you can place it just like this. And I'm going to remove that from here, the background here, just like this. But here you can see the edge is also from here are not much clean here. So you can increase the intensity here. So I'm going to increase the intensity until it took out the green color. Now we are going to use the feather edge from here, just like this, and we are going to feather it a little and clean up edges, just like this. Now if I play that video, here you can see the green screen is totally removed from this video. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.